What is up, my friends? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining. Today's video, I wanted to give back to all of you for all the support that you guys have given me. We are currently sitting at about 1,600 subscribers and still growing, and I can't thank you enough. As the Mumfy channel grows, what I'd like to do is start featuring friends of the channel, Tacomas builds, and stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you could possibly be featured in the next installment of Featured Friends of the Channel. So, let's jump into our first featured friend of the channel's Tacoma. Alright, we're going to kick off this video series with a 2020 Tacoma featuring some 295, 75, 17 Geolanders on a 17x9 Summit off-road wheel with a negative 25 offset. This Tacoma comes from Monica Nunez, big friend of the channel. I did ask Monica a couple of questions just to get a little bit more insight on this amazing Tacoma. One being, why did you choose to go with the Tacoma? She said that when she was 18, she had a friend who loved to build these Tacomas, and that's what got her to fall in love with it. The lifts, the tires, and how well they did in terrain. Now, one of the other things that I asked was, what is the purpose? What are you kind of building this Tacoma up to do? And currently, right now, she is learning a lot about how to build up these Tacomas, the different wheels and tire sizing, what you need to do as far as research on suspension, wiring, what you're going to need to switch out, say, cab mount chops to really get the most out of her Tacoma. Now, I asked Monica what her favorite mod on her Tacoma currently is, and right now it's a toss-up between her wheel and tire setup or her Carvin exhaust. And it sounds like she's looking to put more on her Tacoma in the future with suspension, a KD Max tune, and a regear. So looking forward to seeing those updates. Now, if you'd like to follow Monica and the updates that she is putting on her 2020 Toyota Tacoma, jump on over to her YouTube channel and be sure to subscribe over there. And you can also check her out over on Instagram to follow more progress, photos, things like that. Now, I gotta say a huge thank you to Monica for being a friend of the channel. Can't wait to see what you're doing next on your Tacoma, so I'll be tuning in for sure. Now, if you'd like a chance to be highlighted in a future episode of Featured Friends of the Channel, be sure to head on over to my Instagram page and follow me over there. DM me a photo of your Tacoma and let me know why you'd like to be highlighted in the next episode of Featured Friends of the Channel. If you are selected, you will receive future communication from myself, and if you are in the Utah area, maybe we'll do a meetup and feature your Tacoma in person. So that's only going to be extended to the area in Utah. If you aren't selected for the highlight, don't worry, I still want to feature your Tacomas at the end of the video. So be sure to include one social media account where people can go and follow the progress of your Tacoma. All right, my friends, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I cannot thank you enough for your continued support. I'm just so grateful to be a part of such an amazing Tacoma community, and I look forward to highlighting more of your Tacomas out there, whether it be a stock Tacoma or an apocalypse monster. Now, if you haven't already, be sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what you guys are doing. Let me know what your socials are down in the comment section below so that we can all follow along with what you guys are doing. And we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.
Perfect.